Here I have Samsung Galaxy S4, and today I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the settings, then to the more section, about device, find the line build number, and tap on it with your finger until you get the message developer mode has been enabled. And now here you can find developer options. And here they are, all of these very interesting and useful developer options. You can also try to disable them here, but I guess they won't disappear from here until you completely factory reset your device. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.